The pros and cons of choosing a wooden door for your home. Dear friends, there is no denying that a wooden door can lend oodles of appeal and warmth to a home, no matter how simple or extravagant. However, since it is usually a pricey investment, many people are skeptical about buying one unless they weigh the pros and cons carefully. So, today, we will take you through the advantages and disadvantages of choosing a wooden door, so that you can make an informed decision and purchase one as per your taste, need, and budget. Pros of buying wooden doors. Elegant look and warm vibe. Solid wooden doors have a warm feel to them and make any room look cozy and inviting. They look elegant too, whether your room has a modern minimalist theme, a lavish colonial theme, or a vintage shabby chic theme. Since a wooden door is available in various tones and finishes, it can complement both sober and dark-colored walls and all kinds of furniture. Different kinds of wood available. There are many popular types of wood used for crafting furniture. You can choose based on the color, grain, texture, hardness, and price. Noise insulation property. Getting a wooden door for your home means you will be able to keep outside noises to a minimum. This can come in especially handy in bedrooms and studies. Using wooden doors for the nursery or kids' room can help the little ones sleep better too. Can be customized easily. Wooden door designs can be customized easily as per your preference and budget. Whether you want neat and trendy patterns or rich traditional carvings, a wooden door can be tweaked and personalized in different ways. You can also go for etchings, inlay work, or embossing. When it comes to color, you can either use a coat of varnish to let the original grain and tone shine through or paint the door with a color of your choice. The size and fit can be personalized. Whether you want a wooden door for a large entryway or a sleek one for your guest bathroom, the size can be easily customized. These doors can also be cut and trimmed to fit arched doorways and other shapes. Cons of wooden doors. Wooden doors tend to absorb moisture, which can cause them to swell or warp. However, by applying a water-resistant coat of varnish or paint, you can easily avoid this problem. After every few years, periodic maintenance is ideal to maintain these doors in their best form. Plus, it will make the door look as good as brand new. You need to be careful about termite and mold attacks as well, since wood essentially comes from trees, which are alive. However, there are many advanced formulas available in the market that can be sprayed on a wooden door to keep these issues at bay. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.